So friends, this Green Hulk comes home after working very hard all day. He pours cold water into the hand pump so he can take a bath. But the hand pump is very small, and he cannot bathe properly. Because of this, he becomes very sad and angry. After thinking, Green Hulk makes a decision and starts building a hand pump himself. Green Hulk works very hard to build the hand pump. Finally, he successfully finishes building it. After making the hand pump, Green Hulk feels very happy. He quickly starts taking a bath, and now very cold water is flowing from the hand pump. Green Hulk really enjoys bathing in the cold water.